We're here at Woodbridge Elementary to find out more about Camp Woodbridge. Camp Woodbridge is a combined traditional summer school along with camp activities that happen all afternoon. We have 175 children, which is more than half of our school population attending, and the kids love coming and the parents love sending them.
So which one of these shows gabbing? Yeah, there you go.
What I like is we do work first, like reading, math, we read history, we do math problems, and all of that. And then I like where at the end we go play. Like I go play soccer, we go play like recess, and then after all of that we go play a little more.
Sir, what's 15 plus 5? Leo? 20.
So Camp Woodbridge starts with traditional summer school. We do math and reading in the morning, and then the kids have lunch, and then they start camp activities. Camp activities consist of what we call a daily special, which include things like Spanish and dance, soccer, art, and they're all divided out by age group.
¿Estamos listos? Sí. La próxima palabra es las piernas.
So basically we get this like magic science crayon and we get to like write it on the paper, and then you get like warm water and citric acid and you shake it up, and it's supposed to turn this pH water into like, you can like review like a hidden message.
What I like most about Camp Woodbridge is probably my dance class, because we do like freeze dance, we also do ballet a lot. We started off with ballet. We did like pliés. After that, we started to do more like games.
And then the children move into what we call daily rotations. The rotations consist of things like arts and crafts, science experiments, team sports, art and music, library, a variety of activities, and the kids do 2 of those every day. The kids go home really tired.
We are making a chain reaction!
My friends and I, we like how we do projects, we go and play. We play together when it's time that all of us come outside.
I would recommend this to other people or students at Woodbridge Elementary, because they would probably have a lot of fun if they're not going on like vacations a lot. And like, my teachers are very friendly. My friends, they're like really fun to play with.
We really appreciated Baltimore County allowing us to design this program that works for our families. So when we offered it, they snapped it up. It's been a fabulous, fabulous program.